Okay. Oh, you're in Paris. Unmute.
I know. Wait 1 second. 1 second.
Where do I? Where's that?
Lincoln Center.
Cold out there right now. We can't be outside.
Oh, these are all the pictures I took.
Oh, you took it?
Mm-hmm.
Gorgeous.
These are my real pictures for my photos.
You took that Lincoln Center picture?
Mm-hmm.
Have you seen this one?
Yeah, I saw. Let's see if I have more.
Have you seen this one?
Oh no, that's cute.
Ah.
She seems cute.
Oh, he's typing the keyboard.
Look at this one,
That's
Pete.
Elvis.
Pete, look at this.
Keeps disappearing.
Pete,
Who's that?
San
Who's that?
Diego. La Jolla.
Oh, it's a seal.
Yep.
Oh, I
Look
gotta
at this.
take him out. He probably has to pee. Hold
Look
on.
at this.
Hey, listen, just you're being recorded.
Oh, what do you want me to say?
I want you to do your phone pitch.
Oh,
Like
okay.
you did last night to me. Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna walk him out.
And again, look forward to talking to you tomorrow and giving you some more information. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.
Okay, nice take, but it's felt long. Is that how they go sometimes?
No, I kind of went too much on it. I don't really go that long.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
let me
do a
record a second one, okay?
right. It's all recording, so we can pick out what we want and get rid of the rest.
Okay.
So don't worry. So yeah, do it again now that you're warmed up. Remember to smile,
Second one.
and
Number two, cut.
it's cut. It's already cut.
All right, number two. Here we go. Ring, ring. Betty? Hi, Betty. This is Elizabeth. I'm giving you a call back regarding that form that you submitted with us for the IUL cash value life insurance. You put down here your primary goal is to make sure that the kids have money. Completely understand. Also, I was calling to see if you have time for me to give you that information now, or do you need me to reschedule something that works for you? Okay, perfect. Yeah, I can totally understand. What time do you get off this evening? Okay, around 6? All right, let me check my schedule. I do have something at 7 or 8:30. Which one do you think works best for you? Okay, perfect. All right, so I'll put you down for 8:30. In the meantime, I'm gonna make sure you have the right email and phone number and date of birth. So what I have down here is Betty Crocker at gmail.com. Is that you, correct? Perfect. And then I have your birthday here is October 27, 1964. Okay, awesome, perfect. All right, Betty, so I'll have you down for 8:30. After we finish talking, I will have an email, text go out to you to remind you that the appointment is for later this evening at 8:30. All right? Any question or any, concern, you can reach out to me with the information that I'll have to you after we talk. Great, thank you. I'll talk to you later. Take care.
Okay, are you happy with that?
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's all. I mean, that's pretty much call number one, like when I'm calling to book.
Yeah, call number one. And did you that time? I didn't hear you ask. Are you good at keeping appointments? Do you usually say that, or is that just something you threw in there at the end?
I don't, but I really go over what's important. I go over their email, their goal.
Yeah.
The goal is important to let them know that I'm reaching out regarding that goal. This is your primary goal, right? So, and then I said, okay, well, that's what the IUL does for you. So I want to see if you have time right now to get the information, or do I need to schedule something that's a better time for you?
Okay.
So,
Excellent.
and then,
So doesn't my logo look cool with that little faded background?
yeah, it looks really cool. I like that. Pierre Aguilas? Pierre?
Is it spelled
P-E-E-R?
wrong? What?
Is that your name, Pierre? P-E-E-R?
Oh God.
Dude, you can't even
Oh,
spell your own
shit.
name. Dude,
Can't
the
believe
I,
you.
the IUL
Blind.
guy.
I
Holy
need
shit.
the sighted to look out for me.
The
All right.
IUL
The
guys.
dog is back. Look at it.
All right, well, I just want to let you know it's
Oh,
Pierre Aguilas.
he doesn't want to leave me alone.
Okay, Pete.
Oh. Okay, so do you want to do the pitch, the IUL?
Okay, here I am calling back for the appointment.
Right.
Ring, ring, ring. Betty? Hi, Betty. It's Elizabeth again. I talked to you this morning about the IUL. How are you today? Okay, awesome. How was work? Traffic. Yeah, I completely understand. It's nice now that I don't have to deal with the traffic these days because we get to work remotely and we do a lot of appointments on Zoom. And I talk to a lot of people throughout the United States. Yeah, travel was never a friend of mine. So anyway, let me ask you, what do you already know about the IUL and what are your main goal besides, making sure that the kids have money? Okay, perfect. Yep. Yeah, and the IUL does that for you. It completely, yeah, it will take care of you. Awesome. Okay, so you pretty much know a lot about the IUL already. So let me let you know how they approve for the IUL. Well, first of all, the IUL is it's a life insurance product, first of all. The second part is got a component called cash value, and the cash value earns based on the indexing. So year by year is credited to you by the insurance company, and then it compounds. So however the market perform, your money is never participating directly in the market. You'll never see, any loss, only gains. Okay. And then whatever that, earnings that you have, like say year one, if you're at 5,000 and the market tanks or crash, well, that's not you. Your money still sits at 5,000 and it continue to grow after that. If the market tanks, you're not losing anything, your money is safe at floor. Some insurance carrier are now credited 1 or 2%. Okay. And then after that, it continue to compound. You also have a death benefit from day one if you get approved. So if something was to happen to you, if you get into a car accident and you no longer can work and you're in a wheelchair, well, you now can use the death benefit up to 90% of that you can take out in lump sum or in monthly. And if you become sick later on, like if you have anything wrong, critical chronic terminal illness like cancer, strokes, Alzheimer, you now can also live off of the life insurance, which is a good thing to have, like long-term care. Long-term care is very expensive if you get that, addition to just basically health insurance. It's hefty and it's pricey. So this is all added and you can utilize it when you are alive and still able to uh, overcome that illness. And then the third thing is that you can take out the cash value. There's no age limit, so you don't have to wait until you're 59 and a half to take money out. You can utilize it at any time when there's cash value. You can take out loans or withdraw. The reason why you want to do that is tax-free. When you take a loan out, it's tax-free. When you withdraw the money, it's tax-free. And whatever money you take out, it continue to compound. It continue to grow no matter what. It's like becoming your own bank with life insurance policy that you have. So any money that you put in grow for you tax-free. You use it like becoming your own bank and you pay yourself back. You then take out to buy things like, maybe a second home, maybe fund kids' college, or maybe pay for their car, or take a big family vacation. Okay, so does that make sense so far? Okay, awesome. So another thing about having these type of policy is not like you can just go into a bank account or a carrier, like any of these carrier to just say, hey, I want to open up an account. You have to qualify for it. And in order to qualify, there are three things that they look at. The first one is your health. They pull medical record from the last 10 years to review that to make sure that you don't have anything, recently that could cause a high risk for your approval, like heart attack, kidney, liver, anything like that. And the second thing is they also review medication to make sure. Second thing is that they look at your driving record, making sure that there's no DUIs or you haven't had your license revoked, because that's also considered high risk. And the third thing is that they look at your background and they want to make sure that there's no criminal or any felony that's, trying to money launder into these life insurance accounts. So how does that sound for you? Are you pretty much in the clear? Okay, awesome. That's great. So let me ask you, if this account works to benefit you in what you're looking to do, how much can you put aside into this type of enforced savings account to start this savings and make sure that the money compound for you? Okay, well, yes, you're not sure of an amount. Well, what we recommend is that 10% of your income, or if you know, if you're in your 20, we would recommend 100 to 200. In your 30, 200 to 300, and so on. So what are you already putting into your 401k or put it into your savings account that's barely earning you anything? Okay, perfect. So we can plug in $500 and I'll show you some illustration and see if that's something that you like to do, because again, the growth in there is tax-free. So let me go ahead and plug the number in and show you. And then from there on, what we could do is submit an application to see if you can even get qualified for this, okay? Sounds good, Betty? Okay, let's get started. Awesome. Blah, blah, blah. Done.
Yeah, okay, good.